I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be testing out some products from the Kylie Cosmetics under the C Summer 2019 collection. So if you would like to see how I got this makeup look right here, please keep watching. So I already applied my base. So I applied my primer, foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, and highlight, and then I filled in my brows. So I already have all that on my skin right now because I didn't purchase anything for that. So the first thing that I want to show you guys that I got from this collection is the Kylie Shimmer Eye Glaze. This packaging is so freaking cute. Like, she kills it every time. I only got one, and this is in the shade Aqua Mama. Again, it comes in like a little pot. Looks like ColourPop in a way. And then I like that it does have like this little thing right there to just keep it in there. This is the shade. It's a really pretty like seafoam color. Look at that. That is gorgeous. So this is the shade right there. It's seriously like a seafoam with like a little bit of gold in it. I feel like the camera's not doing it justice, but in person it is so pretty. She did have a few shades of these, but this is the only shade that I picked up. Instead of buying her entire collections like I would normally do, I've been trying to only buy the stuff that's either like unique to me or stuff that I don't feel like I already have a lot of. So that's why I didn't pick up every single piece. Plus, it's expensive. Then I also have her eyeshadow palette, which I thought was adorable. So again, this is the packaging. The names of the shadows are on the back. Tell me this doesn't look like ColourPop. Here is the palette and the names on the back. And then this is what the inside of the palette looks like. I think this screams summer to me. Like, I cannot wait to play. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do yet because I know I want to use this. So I was thinking about using this as like a base and then going on top of it with this, or maybe doing this and then going on top of that with this. I don't know. But I think I'm going to use all of the matte shades for my upper crease and like my lid and stuff like that, just so we can see how they blend. And then I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here all over the lid and then put this on top. I think that's what I'm going to do. And then for the bottom, I couldn't decide if I should do this purple shade or this peach shade. So we'll see. I'll try to use as many shades as possible. So the first shade I'm going to be using as like an all over shade is this shade right here. It's called Hook You In. And they're pretty powdery. This is a M504 from Morphe, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Ooh. This is a nice like all over lid shade though. It's kind of like a peachy shade. And then I'm going to go in with the second darkest color, which is called Sure About You, and that's the shade right here. I'm just going to focus this as like a transition shade. Same brush. Put that directly in the crease. No! I can feel my eye watering. Great. I hope that doesn't mean my entire makeup look is screwed for the day. I swear, I have the most sensitive eyes ever. I think I'm like allergic to like the powders that I use. And I mean every single powder. Every single powder that touches my face, I feel like my eyes just like can't handle and they just automatically start watering. It's so annoying. But so far I like these two shades. I'm just gonna build this shade up a bit. I like this. Now I'm going to go in with the next darkest shade, which is called Welcome Aboard. And that's the shade right here. I think I'm going to switch to more dense crease brush, I guess. So I'm going to use this Sigma E25. And I'm going to focus this directly into the crease. This one doesn't seem like it's very pigmented. I mean, it's doing the job, but I feel like I have to build it up a lot to get it to show up. Now I'm going to take My Treasure, which is the darkest matte in the palette. It's this one right here. I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. Yeah, the two darkest mattes aren't super pigmented, so I'm just gonna take a mixture of all of these three right here and put those in my crease just to blend everything together. Morphe M504. I'm just gonna run that everywhere I had those shadows, or place those shadows. Wow, so I feel like that just totally blended away like everything. So maybe layering them isn't the best. Layering them worked, but when you tried to blend them all together so there's no like lines, they just kind of blended away to nothing. So I'm just going to take a mixture of Welcome Aboard and My Treasure, the two darkest shades, and put those back into the crease. So that's what we have so far. Now I'm going to go in with the Be Pacific, which is this green shade right here. I'm going to use my finger. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I'm going to put this all over my lid. Ooh, and I didn't even have to get like anything wet, and look how pigmented it is. That's gorgeous. That is so pretty. And I'm just gonna lightly blend up into my crease. I'm just going to take a little detail brush just to add some of that green into my crease. I'm just going to use this e.l.f. tapered blending brush. Just take a smidge of Be Pacific and just run that into the crease. Which, I don't know, maybe that's not a good idea. It's kind of like blending it away. I wish she would have put like a matte green. I think I'm gonna have to use my finger. I'm gonna try a MAC 242 and see if that will help maybe. Okay, yeah, MAC 242 works better. Then I'm gonna go back in with the Sigma E25, and I'm going to take Sure About You, which is that orange matte shade, and put that back into my crease. because I want that green shade up there, but I want it more so on the lid. Now I'm going to go in with Welcome Aboard. And then I'm going to take my finger again and the Be Pacific shade and just kind of like pat that in the crease. So I'm going to take the Aqua Mama Shimmer Eye Glaze and I'm going to put that directly in the center, and I'm just going to use my finger. Wow, that just like amped up my look even more. That is so stunning. Makes me wish I would have bought the other eye glazes. Now I have to decide what to do for the lower lash line. I kind of want to use that purple, but then that Abandoned Ship shade, which is that like peachy shade, looks really pretty too. Let's see. So that's what those two look like swatched. I think purple might be pretty, but so would that coral shade. The peach shade, and then put this gold shade like in the inner corner. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try to apply the peach shade with a brush first. We'll see. This is a Morphe M431. I'm gonna take the Abandoned Ship shade on this brush and try to apply it to the lower lash line. Okay, that's not too bad actually. And it's dry. I'm just gonna wipe off this brush, and then I'm gonna put the gold shade like in my inner corner. So I'm gonna take Boss Beach right here in the corner. I kind of want to lighten it a little bit. It's just a little too intense. So I'm going to take the Sea Pearl shade over here and just add that on top. Just to try to like calm down that gold a little bit. I don't know, this might make it more intense. So this is the eye look I created. Pretty happy with it. I think it's super summery. I'm not too like about the gold inner corner. I thought I would like that more, but so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and some lashes, and then when I come back we'll try out the 2 lip products that I purchased. So I went ahead and applied some mascara and then some Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and then in my waterline I took this ColourPop gel liner in the shade Puppy. It's just this orange shade. So now I'm going to show you the 2 lipsticks that I purchased. There was 3. I didn't get the lip topper shade though. This first one right here is called Paradise Please. And one of these, I can't remember which one it was, actually came in the mail and the container was cracked. There was nothing wrong with the lipstick itself, but there's like a crack that went down it. And I emailed customer service and they sent one back out, like a replacement, within like a week. So I thought that was awesome. I thought I would let you guys know. But this is the packaging. It's just this pale color. And this is such a gorgeous like matte shade. This is Paradise Please. So pretty. And then we have Beach Bum. Again, same packaging. This is the more nude shade. And those are the two shades right there. I'm gonna go in with the nude shade. They're both stunning, but I think I'm gonna go for nude today. So I'm gonna first line my lips. I'm just gonna take, what's this? Oh, perfect. This Kylie one. This is in the shade Candy K. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Beach Bum. And this is also a matte. That is gorgeous. So this is my final look using some of the items from the Kylie Cosmetics Summer collection. I'm not sure if this collection has a name. I think it's called Under the Sea. I don't know why. I could have just made that up, but I think that's what it's called. So I'm just gonna quickly go over the 4 products that I purchased and let you guys know my final thoughts. So I think my favorite thing from this is actually the Shimmer eye glaze. I don't have anything like this. Like, I have cream eyeshadows, but I just don't have anything like this color and like this gorgeous. So I think this is my favorite thing from this. And then, believe it or not, I think my second favorites would be the lipsticks, honestly. I think they're gorgeous. They feel really comfortable, and that Beach Bum shade is beautiful. My least favorite is the Kylie eyeshadow palette. I think I mentioned this in other testing out new Kylie collection or collabs or whatever videos that I post. Like, I feel like when I first started buying her palettes, when she first launched them, like the ones that have like the circle eyeshadow pans, I think those are so good. And I use the bronze palette one to this day. They're just so good. But I feel like every time I get an eyeshadow palette that has like the square pans, the eyeshadows are super inconsistent. Although I do think this is gorgeous, I need to play with it some more. There's like, I could probably do like a lot of looks with this, but just like, I don't know. It's like I'm 50-50 about it. Like, it's not horrible, but it's not like blowing my mind. You know what I mean? So I think I'm just kind of like about this eyeshadow palette. Let me know if you guys have tried this in the comments below and like what you think. And then also let me know if there's anything else from this collection that you purchased that you really like. Let me know that in the comments below as well, so maybe I could still have time to go pick that up. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.